uchundir murakkab bo'lgan, kimlar uchundir esa juda ham oson. Listening part 3. Multiple listening part 3 ni tahlil qilishni boshlaymiz. Assalomu alaykum. Men Lingo Muslima. Sizga bunday tahlillarni ulashishdan juda ham xursandman.
You will hear 5 short extracts in which people talk about deciding to take up new interests. 4 questions 1 to 5. Choose from the list A to F. The reason each speaker gives for deciding to take up their new interest. Use the letters only once. There is one extra answer which you don't need to use. Bu yerda ya'ni aytibdi bizga 5 ya'ni 5 ta qisqa demak ekstraktlarni taqdim qilar ekan. Qaror qabul qilinibdi. Yangi qiziqishlarni boshlash haqida gap ketar ekan bu tekstda va har bittasi demak 1 dan 5 gacha tinglar ekanmiz va bu yerda A B C D E F lardan birortasi demak moslarini matching qilamiz deyer. Va bu yerda ortiqcha javob ham mavjud ekan. Xo'p, bu tarafiga qaraydigan bo'lsak, A B C D E F da o'qib chiqaylik. Birinchi A, to help other people. Ya'ni kimlargadir yordam berish. Fikrlarni eshitamiz. Kimgadir bir yordam berish uchun birorta mashg'ulotni, qiziqishni boshlagan bo'lsa, shuni belgilashimizga to'g'ri keladi. B'da nima deyapti? To make some money. Pul ishlash. Birorta faoliyatni boshladim. Mana take up degani bu startni meaningini beradi. Boshladim. Mana shunaqa pul ishlash uchun. To make a change from their work. Ya'ni o'zini ishida o'zgarish qilibdi. Aytaylik, birorta ishni qilishdan charchagandir yoki bo'lmasam moliyaviy ta'minoti kam bo'lgandir, sog'lig'iga zarar yetgandir, shuning uchun o'zgarish qilgan bo'lishi ehtimoli bor. Keyingi to meet new people. Odamlar bilan ko'proq aytaylik bir muloqot qilish uchun, ko'rishish uchun birorta bir qiziqishni boshlamoq. Aytaylik sport bo'lishi mumkin yoki qanaqadir narsa ochishi mumkin, aytaylik magazin ochishi mumkin. Ko'proq odamlar bari keladi-ku, sovrinni qo'lga kiritish deb nazarda tutilyapti. Va oxirgisi F da qaraylik. To overcome a fear. Overcome degani yengish, ya'ni qo'rquvni yengish. Listeninglarni diqqat bilan tinglab chiqamiz va to'g'risini topishga harakat qilamiz. Audio skriptni ham sizlarga taqdim qilaman. Qani boshladik.
Speaker 1.
I've always been a keen swimmer and that keeps me in good shape. So when I made my mind up to do badminton, it was far more about socializing than exercising, especially as I'd only recently moved to this part of town and I hardly knew anyone. I hadn't realised, though, just how competitive badminton can be. So much so that I've now been invited to take part in a local championship. I've got no chance of winning it, or even coming close. And to be honest, I'm not really bothered about that. But it might be fun, so I think I'll give it a try.
Speaker 2.
I work part-time in a petrol station, which in some ways is quite a pleasant job, but last year I found that I was increasingly getting into financial difficulties, so I began to study the way electronic devices work and how to repair them. I found that fascinating, and eventually I felt confident enough to place an online ad offering my services. I got loads of replies, and I've now paid off nearly all my debts. I've thought of giving up my job at the petrol station, but I think I'd miss meeting different people every day if I worked entirely from home.
Speaker 3. For years I'd been so scared of heights that some people used to make fun of me. So one day I decided to do something about it. Go rock climbing. Feeling that if I could do that, I'd be able to do anything, I joined a local club. On my first day, I was surprised to find there were 2 other people who joined for the same reason, and we soon became friends. Together we got fitter and stronger and encouraged each other to keep going, until by the end of the year we felt unconcerned about tackling the most challenging of climbs. Speaker 4.
I never imagined that going horse riding could be such good exercise until I'd spent a weekend trekking in the mountains with friends. That was something of a bonus, really, because what had initially attracted me to it was that it offered a contrast in every respect to my day job as a cab driver in a noisy, polluted city centre. And although it's certainly not the cheapest of activities, I find it so relaxing that I always feel it's worth every penny.
Speaker 5.
Gardening had always seemed to me as just a way of passing the time, of doing something completely different from office work, or perhaps even, for the really keen, of winning a prize for the largest homegrown vegetable. So it was only by chance that I became interested in it, when the old lady next door asked me to look after her garden while she was away. On her return, she was so delighted by my efforts that I felt I'd done something really worthwhile. So I then offered to garden for other neighbours in their 80s and 90s. They sometimes offered me money, but I always refused to accept it.
Now, listen again.
Tekshirib bo'lgan bo'lsangiz, to'g'ridan to'g'ri nima deyapti o'zi bu yerda, nima qo'yishimiz kerak edi javob variantlari, shularga e'tiborimizni qaratamiz. Tarjimasi bilan ko'proq ishlayman. Birinchi, demak, extract. Qaranglar, men har doim suzishni yaxshi ko'rganman va bu meni yaxshi formamda ushlab turadi. Ya'ni odam o'zini qad-qomatini ushlab turishiga nisbat berilyapti. Shuning uchun badminton o'ynashni boshlaganimda bu ko'proq mashq qilishdan ko'ra odamlar bilan tanishish uchun edi. Ayniqsa men yaqinda bu hududga ko'chib kelgan edim va deyarli hech kimni tanimasdim. Lekin badminton qanchalik raqobatli bo'lishini tushunmagan ekanman. Shunchalikki men mahalliy chempionatda qatnashishga taklif qilishdi. Ya'ni u yerda qatnashishni boshlab turib, chempionatda ham demak qatnash imkoniyatiga ega bo'libdi. Men yutishim yoki hatto yaqinlashishim ham qiyin. Rostini aytsam, unga bunchalik ahamiyat ham bermayman. Menga sirazi bu musobaqaga qatnashar ekan deb win a prize ga qarab ketmasligimiz kerak. Bu yerda menga neintresni yutish deyapti, lekin bu qiziqarli bo'lishi mumkin. Shuning uchun sinab ko'raman. Ya'ni odamlar bilan tanishish, вообще-то o'sha vaqtim qiziqarli o'tishiga ishonyapman deb turib bormoqchi ekan. Shuning uchun bu, demak, insonlar bilan ko'rishish variantini olyapmiz. Extract 2 ga qaraymiz endi. Men yarim stavkada yoqilg'i quyish shoxobchasida ishlayman. Ba'zi tomondan bu yoqimli ish, lekin o'tgan yil moliyaviy muammolarim ko'payib borayotganligini sezdim. Shu uchun elektron qurilmalar qanday ishlashini, ularni qanday tuzatishni o'rganishni boshladim. Bu esa menga juda qiziq tuyuldi. Oxir-oqibat xizmatlarimni taklif qilib internetda e'lon berishga o'zimga ishonch his qildim. Ya'ni bir internetda o'zini servisini namoyish qilishni boshlabdi. Juda ko'p javoblar oldim. Hozir deyarli barcha qarzlarimni to'lab bo'ldim. Yoqilg'i shoxobchasidagi ishimni tashlashni o'yladim, lekin uyda ishlasam har kuni turli odamlar bilan uchrashishni sog'inaman deb o'ylayapman. Demak, bu moliyaviy tomondan pul topish, yana pul ishlash degan javobni olyapmiz. Chunki bu aynan mana shu uchun elektron qurilmalar qanday ishlashini, qanday tuzatishni shu sababli o'rgandi. U moliyaviy problemalarga uchragandi, duch kelgandi. 3-extract. Ko'p yillar davomida balandlikdan juda qo'rqardim. Menimcha u javobi mana shu o'ziyoq kelgan. Bu ko'p yog'ini tarjima qilib o'tirishimga hojat yo'q. Bu overcome, ya'ni fearni yengish. 4-extract. Men hech qachon ot meni shunchalik yaxshi mashq bo'lishini o'ylamagandim. Toki do'stlarim bilan tog'larda dam olish kunini o'tkazmagunimcha. Aslida bu qo'shimcha foyda bo'ldi. Chunki men boshida jalb qilgan narsa bu ishimdan shovqinli, iflos shahar markazida taksichi bo'lib ishlashdan farq qiladi. Bu faoliyat arzon emas, lekin juda tinchlantiradi. Shuning uchun har doim pulimga arziydi deb o'ylayman. Bu ya'ni o'zini faoliyatini bitta o'zgartirib ko'rishga qiziqish, ya'ni shaharda o'sha iflosli havoda ishlab yurishdan ko'ra, bitta o'zgarish qilib ko'rish hayotida. Va u mamnun ekanligini nazarda tutyapti. Change ga to'g'ri keldi. Va 5-extract. Bog'dorchilik men uchun har doim shunchaki vaqt o'tkazish deb tuyulardi. Yoki ofis ishidan butunlay farqli mashg'ulot, balki juda qiziqqanlar uchun eng katta sabzavot yetishtirish, sovrin yutish usuli edi. Lekin tasodifan bunga qiziqib qoldim. Qo'shiqni kampir mendan yo'qligida bog'iga qarab turishni so'rab qaytib kelgach, u men ishlarim juda xursand bo'ldim. Men haqiqatan foydali ish qilganimni his qildim. Keyin u meni boshqa qo'shnilarga ham bog' ishlari qilishga tavsiya qildi. Ba'zida ular menga pul taklif qilishardi, lekin men doim rad etardim. Va bu o'z navbatida javobni olib kelyapti. Ya'ni kimlarningdir bir hojatini chiqarish, ularga yordam berish, to help other people. Bu inson demak pul uchun emas, shunchaki qarab turishni evaziga o'zining ishini qolganlar mamnun bo'lishidan mazza qiladi. Shuning bilan sizlarga part 3 dan tahlilimiz o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Savollar, murojaatlar bo'lsa, bemalol kommentariyada qoldirishingiz mumkin. Lingo Muslima always with you.